Boxing Day in Huntlytown, it's there I did agree. With Bogie side O'Kearney is 6 months for to fee, to drive his 2 best horses, likewise his curtain plume, and to do a thing about the farm that richt well I could do. Now Bogie had a doctor whose name was Isabel. The flew o'er her nation, there's nane her could excel. She had rosy cheeks and ruby lips, and hair dark as dew. She was neat, complete and handsome, and comely for to view. One day she went a-rambling, and chose me for her guide, to take a pleasant walk with her along by Kearney side. I have slipped my arm about her waist, and to the ground did slide, and it's there I've had my first product with the bell o' Bogie side. Sang so sweetly, the mavis sang so shrill, and the chorus of their song was, there lies Bogie's bell. Among the weeds of Kearney, upon the grassy green, then she and I rose up again, for fear we would be seen. Ere 20 weeks had passed and gone, this lassie lost her bloom. Her rosy cheeks grew pale and wan, and she began to swoon. Ere 40 weeks had passed and gone, this maid brought forth a son.